It's nice, but it's like a straight fit, like a skinny fit, but it feels very comfortable.
Junior want to not be on my I can't really see where did I miss ex-strippers
Hi, my lovely viewers and subscribers. Come thrifting with us today. We're at the unique thrift store in Silver Spring. This is the kitchen section. You want pots and pans. Look at my cart. Oh my gosh, I can't believe that's my cart. I love this lighthouse. Why they selling it so expensive, Tadris? I love it. I want it for the basement. But why they sell it so it's I'm gonna get it like this one too. This is $6. But I like it. They have these nice candle. This is a nice candle holder type. You would think you can get these like for $2. This is $6 plus. It's nice, but and it's a pair. They have some nice candle holders. I like this Connect 4. Just hope it's not broken. When you go thrifting, you can't rush. You just have to take your time. How much? That is $10. Oh, it's nice. So guys, here are my few pieces that I got at the thrift store. I got a little mirror. It's not big. I wanted to put in my office at work. So I like it. so I'm gonna clean it up. As you can see, it cost me $6 for it. There was a little part on it, like this part, there's a little space here that I'm gonna just put some ponel on it, but otherwise it looks good. I just need to like get some glass cleaner, wipe it down with some disinfectant and bleach and clean it up. And this is I really love this. When I see it, I could not resist not taking it. So it's a lighthouse. I'm gonna use it as a decor, and I'll show you guys where I put it later. But this I got it for it's $7. I was hoping it was cheaper, but lighthouses are very unique and they can be very pricey. So I love it. I love lighthouses, and I just want to use this as a decor for a space that I am thinking of. And I love this little tabletop Connect 4. I paid $3.49, probably like $3.50 with tax. So I'm gonna keep it in my room as well for my students to use. So I'm gonna connect it up and see how it works. And I got some. I'm gonna show you these. I'm gonna do a try on with these to show you how they fit. So yeah, these are what I got. Really in love with this lighthouse. And these are the chips to use, and they're not even open. The bags are not even open, so you can see that it's fairly new. Yeah, so I'm excited to use this. I can even use this at home. So these are the chips. Yeah. Okay guys, so the first one I'm going to show you is this pants. It's a Liz Claiborne, and it's a size 10. I usually get size 8, but I love it. And you notice it still has on the Ross sticker, and it says $14.99, but I got it for $5.79. So I'm going to try this on. The only thing I love the print, but the only thing I didn't like about it, it didn't have loops, like to put my belts, because I like to have my pants with loops. So, but I still love it. Maybe I can add loops on. So let's see how this one fits. Yeah, very comfortable, spacey. This next pant is a Roan, and it says size 31. It's a straight fit, so I'm going to show you how this one was pricey though. It's actually $12.99, and it says size 7 to 8 woman pants. So let's see. All right, look at this one. There's a pocket at the back. It has loops and everything. It's like a straight fit, like a skinny fit, but it feels very comfortable. Yeah. And I've been working on my mommy tummy. Yeah, so it looks good. I can wear it with flats. I can wear it with boots. Yeah. Good. So guys, these are stuff that I got at the thrift store. Really cool, really nice stuff. So let me know what you guys think. Do you like to go thrifting? I usually do that like for stuff for my classroom, or like stuff for decor. Sometimes you find some really cool stuff. So thank you for watching. Leave a comment. Please leave a comment, like the video, and subscribe if you haven't done so yet. And I'll definitely see you in my next video. Bye.
Afro bitch, it's Afrobeat.